Liv's quitting her job
Right now. I resign.
You know you're no good alone. Why are you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell and nobody's coming to help. Your daddy lives by himself. He just wants to know that you're well. Oh, oh, oh.
My body's like, why girl? Why? Ready? Okay, where are we?
At the monkey forest. And beat him up by some primates. No, we're going to beat up the monkey.
Yeah, Liv's ready to fight. Simona is eagerly advocating already.
They're making pissy faces at you.
Oh no.
Some things just aren't simple. You caught me wondering why I change or why I don't look the same. Why I think so differently now. Is it ever gonna change? Am I gonna feel this way forever? Are you gonna be around for me to count on? Is it ever gonna change? Am I gonna feel this way forever? Are you gonna be around for me to count on, count on?
Thank you so much. No, thank you. Show me your photo. That is so good. My dreams have come true. Yeah. God, I just got it really fast. I felt really
Onion chicken flavour.
onion chicken.
No. Where did I grab you from?
You got Brendan?
Oh, should we try it?
I think I'm gonna.
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Way.
So
It's
today
so
we
ugly.
went shopping.
I'm so sorry.
I mean, we bought some
We
things.
brought some snacks.
So we just thought
We
we'd
thought we'd
like...
share.
So, I some Megering. Indomie is the brand we all know and love, but Rendang is a new flavour.
Oh no.
And then a little Indonesian twist, so... Excuse me? So I'll be having this with a fit bar.
Because she's a fit queen.
Fruits Delight, good flavour. Gonna have that for breakfast in the morning. Then I got some ping ping. Do I know what these are? No, but there's a camera on the front. And then lastly, I got these. Don't know how you say that. Quitilla. Anyway, they're chips made out of tempeh. So today I've gone for the chili flavour, also pronounced rasa kabai rawit. And that's all.
Okay. I got these grilled seaweed chippies because they look good and they're seaweed and I love seaweed. I got these that translate to chicken soup flavoured noodles.
She's a simple girl.
Is soup a flavour?
I don't know. Singular mango juice.
Not three like
No, don't spoil it. I got avocado because I'm going to bring it up the mountain. I got these, which are cookies and cream flavors for the mountain. I got
we're going up the mountain.
some Mentos.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, nah, for snacky lala. I got Milo. One more maybe mango. Did I get nuts as well?
No. Oh yeah, you got nuts.
Oh, I got the garlic nuts. I got
nice.
these selected, so they're selected specifically fried garlic peanuts.
Specifically for you.
Yeah. And they
Okay,
follow-
buckle up everybody. It's time to get serious. First off, we have not one, not two, but 3 juice boxes. Orange. A mango.
Oh, mango.
A lychee. kimchi noodles for dinner. And matcha pocky. And Milo bar. And some roasted almonds. Oh wait. Some roasted almonds.
Wow. Last but not least, already half gone. I won't turn it around.
Upside down.
Barbecue, beef barbecue chips.
Potato.
Potato. And some honey roasted peanuts, which I just realised I don't really like peanuts, so
Oh.
that's a bit of a fail. But I like the honey roasted, so it should be okay. And some open Hello
Oh, those are
Panda.
delicious.
I
Why
know.
did you buy the open one?
Because
Oh, the other
this
ones
looked
were-
okay.
Oh yeah.
Let's just hope they're okay in there. And my dinner is ramen. Torikari
Oh,
ramen. Yeah. Yum. And the Milo bar.
Milo bar.
There it is.
The whole.
Paki paki.
Maybe we'll check in tomorrow when we're eating our snacks.
Let's see if we make it back from the
But for
mountain.
now,
You may never hear from us.
paki
again.
da.
Paki to you. What was everyone's highlight of the day? So far.
I
Just
took a
not
selfie
over.
with a monkey. And the monkey took the selfie.
Mine was watching the monkey drink clip.
Yeah, drink some photos.
Mine was that adrenaline rush of the monkey coming towards me.
Yeah.
Mine was when the baby climbed on my toe.
Oh.
So there you have it, all monkey related highlights.
So we would definitely recommend going to the monkey forest. And it was
What was your low light?
Oh, walking back up from the roast terraces.
That is
That
also
was
my low
fucking
light.
low, are we honest?
Standing at the top, watching the sweat run down my shins,
Oh.
thinking, this is the end.
Yeah.
well.
There we have it.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Okay, bye.
Hey, what's going on, everyone?
We're just about to open our famous dragon fruit derby in the Leggings.
This is a long-awaited moment. So Mum bought a dragon fruit, and she's been very excited, and we finally found a knife.
Okay.
Do we think it's going to be pink or white?
Take your beats.
It's probably going to be white, but I'm saying pink because I hope it's pink.
Okay, what do you think?
White.
You think it's going to be white? What do you
It's
think?
gonna be white as well.
I want it to be pink, but I don't know.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Pink, pink, pink.
Yes!
This is worth my $1.80.
Wow.
So worth my
It's so
$1.80.
pink.
Oh my gosh.
I should eat it in my white pants.
An unexpected surprise.
Kate was right. I was right.
Hey, I said pink too.
I wasn't listening.
I said I wanted it to
Now
be
we
pink.
can taste what it really tastes like.
Taste test. Mm.
Good. Can I try one?
Okay. Pass it around.
The family bowl. Looks quite so. Cheers.
Look at that being lugging it around.
It's kind of like
I don't know what to
it's kind of like a
expect.
mild kiwi fruit.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
That's fun.
Yummy?
Yeah, I get the kiwi fruit vibes.
Oh, it's softer than I anticipated.
It's because it's over right now because I've been fucking lugging it.
That was good.
How? Random.
This was sent to my followers.
Did you make it focus? Oh, there we go.
It's meant to be auto.
Oh, yeah, that was good.
That looks-
Now dig in.
Yeah, I'm a bit.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Hey, gosh, sweetie.
Happy with that, Simon?
I am very happy with my purchase.
Great success.
Okay, it's raining, but I'm still.
I'm gonna go for a swim. Time.